Awesome. So this is our new Pro series. We have the Pro iDSD, Pro iCAN, and this is going to be the Pro iEnergizer. So starting from the top, Pro DSD, it's got four Burr Brown DACs in it. It's dual mono, fully native balanced, and connected to that, we're connecting it balanced down to the Pro iCAN. And what's kind of interesting about both of these products is that we created the very first amplifier that allows you to switch between solid state and tube with a flick of a switch. So we're not talking hybrids here. No, we have two very discrete circuits, either solid state or tube. So we also have the tube plus stage, which just adds a little bit extra second harmonic to it. If you want just a little bit more of that smooth sound from tubes, we also have that available. And very similar to our micros. If you guys are familiar with the micro series at all, we have an updated X-Bass and 3D here. It's a little bit different from the micro series. We revamped it a little bit, made it what we think is a little bit better. We don't really believe that there's one right way to listen to music, and that's why we put in all these different inputs and outputs, different switches, so you can play with it, find the sound that you want, and kind of enjoy the music the way you want it to. So the very last device here, this is the Energizer, and we've actually been running Mr. Speaker's prototype electrostats here, and this is kind of a cool device. The idea is, hey, let's make an electrostatic amplifier out of whatever amp we're already using. So it's actually connected to the Pro iCAN, even though it's just your typical headphone amplifier. You can connect these two via balance. There's a dual 3-pin XLR to a 4-pin XLR, and you can basically drive your electrostatic headphone amplifier.
Very cool. And would it be? And how is the electrostatic amplifier powered right now?
So this is kind of cool. So turn this around. So typically, you would connect the balanced jacks here, and there's a power supply for each unit. But if you do pair it with the Pro iCAN and use the whole Pro setup, we're actually using an HDMI cable here. And it's feeding both the power and the signal to the electrostat. And that's kind of cool too. It's like a little bonus, I guess, if you will.
That's pretty unique. All right, thank you so much. This is iFi.